Vacations are fun, but let us be honest. Getting back to study mode after them is not easy. You feel lazy, your routine is broken, your sleep schedule is messed up, and your brain is still in holiday mode while exams are already coming closer. And if your school is opening in a few days, or already open, this becomes even more stressful because now you have to balance school and exam preparation at the same time. So in this video, I am going to share a simple and realistic exam preparation guide for students after vacations. No complicated advice, no perfect topper routine, just real tips that actually help school-going girls and students get back on track. 1. Accept that your routine is broken. The first thing you need to do is stop feeling guilty. If you studied less during vacations, that does not mean everything is over. A lot of students panic because they think, I wasted my holidays, now I cannot do anything. That is not true. What matters now is not what happened during vacation. What matters is what you do from today. So, first, calm your mind. You do not need to finish everything in one day. You only need to restart. 2. Reset your sleep schedule. Before starting serious study, fix your sleep. If you're sleeping very late and waking up too late, your brain will feel heavy all day. Start sleeping a little earlier each night. Even 15 to 30 minutes earlier helps. Also, wake up at a proper time in the morning. Not too early if you are not used to it, just a realistic time that gives you a calm start. Good sleep helps you focus, remember better, and feel less lazy. If you want better exam prep, start with sleep. 3. Make a simple subject list. Do not open all books together and panic. Take one notebook or paper and write down all subjects, all chapters, what is done, what is weak, what is still left. This gives you a clear picture. A lot of students feel confused after vacations because they do not know where to start. But once you make a list, everything becomes easier. You will stop saying, I have too much to do, and start saying, okay, this is my plan. 4. Start with the most important topics. After vacations, time is usually limited. So you need to study smart, not randomly. First, focus on important chapters, weak chapters, topics that come often in exams, topics your teacher has repeated in class. Do not spend too much time on things that are not important right now. If your exam is soon, high-weight topics come first. This is one of the biggest tricks toppers use. 5. Use a 3-part study method. Here is the easiest study method for exam prep. Part 1. Revise old topics. Go through the chapters you already studied before vacation. Part 2. Learn weak topics. Now give attention to the chapters you do not understand well. Part 3. Practice questions. After reading, solve questions, sample papers, or previous paper questions. This way, you are not only reading, you are also remembering and practicing. That is how real exam preparation works. 6. Study in small blocks. Do not tell yourself, I will study for 8 hours today, and then do nothing. That is too much pressure. Instead, study in small blocks. For example, 45 minutes study, 10 minutes break, 45 minutes study, 10 minutes break. This makes your brain less tired. During breaks, do not get stuck on reels for 1 hour. Just stand up, drink water, stretch, or walk a little. Small blocks help you stay fresh for longer. 7. Study actively, not passively. This is important. Just reading your book again and again is not enough. You need to study actively. That means close the book and try to recall what you read. Write short notes, make small formulas or points, solve questions, revise out loud if needed. This helps your brain remember better. If you only read without testing yourself, you may forget everything in the exam. So do not just look at the page. Work with the page. 8. Make a daily target. Every day, give yourself a small target. For example, 1 chapter revision, 30 MCQs, 2 long answers, 1 weak topic, 1 sample paper section. The target should be realistic. Do not make a huge list that scares you. A small target completed properly is much better than a long list you never finish. At the end of the day, check what you completed. That gives you confidence. 9. Keep school and exam prep balanced. If your school has already reopened, then your time is more limited. So use your school hours wisely. Listen properly in class. Ask doubts if needed. Pay attention to what teachers are repeating. School time is not separate from exam prep. It is part of your exam prep. When you come home, revise the same topic once. That small habit can save a lot of time later. If your school is opening soon, use these few days to get ready mentally and academically. 10. Do not ignore revision. A lot of students make one big mistake after vacations. They study something once and think they are done, but exam preparation needs revision. So revise old topics again and again in short intervals. You can do morning revision, evening revision, quick night revision. Even 10 minutes of revision helps more than you think. Revision is what turns "I studied this once" into "I actually remember this." So if your exams are coming after vacation, do not panic. Start with a reset, fix your sleep, make a subject list, focus on important topics, study in small blocks, revise properly, and stay consistent. You do not need a perfect comeback. You just need a steady one. And if your school is already open or opening soon, this is your sign to get serious now in a calm way. One day at a time, one subject at a time, one revision at a time. You can do this, bestie. And if you liked this video, then comment your exam date and subscribe to my channel.